All right, check this out. So we got some neon lights, okay? It's a knife, don't worry about the knife, don't look at the knife. That's that. This one is, right there, on air. And then I saw this one, I was like, dude, this is so good, dude. GG's, man, good God. I love that one. Oh, I like that. One light is broken. Or actually it's not broken, that's just where it splits. So, size comparison, this is my hand. All right, there you go. I'll go ahead and turn that on. Oh my gosh. This right here, my friends, is way brighter. That is bright. Sweet. Okay, so this one's also really bright. I like this a lot though. This one's cool. I don't know why, I just like it. But it doesn't have a cord, like a button to turn it on and turn it off, which I don't like, unless you use this. Yeah, no, that doesn't. Yeah, unless you put batteries in here, then you could turn it on and off, I guess. I'm creating a new studio inside my room. Let's check it out. Cool. This is the room. Oh, those are my shorts. Yeah, we transformed this room a lot. Yeah, so definitely a lot more space to walk around and whatnot, if that matters. But this is pretty much the new setup. So we bought panels for the wall. We got the neon lights for somewhere here. We're probably only gonna use one, not the three. And then I got some speakers, and then I got some lights. Yeah, so we're just gonna start putting things together. But we got these panels, and these panels are gonna go like so. Sweet. All right, so this is how it looks right now. I like it. I like it a lot. The thing is, I actually should have gotten a little bit more in, at least, like right there. Which I did not, and I'm bummed out by that a little bit. So there's 3 more, so I'm thinking of trying to put it right there. Speakers. I got these speakers. This is the brand, and I heard the reviews are decent, so we got them. We bought speakers because one, okay, honestly, this is the reason why. We bought these speakers because a lot of YouTubers have usually big speakers like this, and they're always on the side, and they look kind of cool in the videos, so I really got it for that. Obviously I'll be using the speakers, which is a plus. Cool. All right, next step. I bought these lights that are LED lights, pretty much. Boom. And the idea is to put these behind the monitors so that these can give light to this back wall. These can change colors. I saw some reviews, they say they were good. So everything in this video, the description, you can find the links in the description below for everything you find in the video that I am putting up. All right, let me add this now. Okay, I like it. There's a couple things that, you know, I'd like to change, but you know, for the most part, it's looking good. I definitely might add the rest of the panels right there, but so far so good. Now there's one last thing, which is the first thing I showed y'all, which is the neon lights. All right, my friends, so I had to do a voiceover because it started to get pretty late, but this is what we got. This is our new setup. Now, it's not for this channel. It's actually for a second channel that I'm working on for work, but yeah, we got the lights, we got the background, we got the LEDs, we got everything. It's looking good, y'all. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, get some ideas, but with that being said, have a good one. Cheers, and God bless.